What does L represent in the equation F is equal to ILB? A. Loudness. B. Length of the conductor. C. Light intensity. D. Luminous flux. The correct answer is B. Length of the conductor. What type of winds bring rainfall to the northwest coast and keep it warm? A. Cold dry winds. B. Warm moist southwesterlies. C. Equatorial winds. D. Northeast trades. The correct answer is B. Warm moist southwesterlies. Which earthworm species is not mentioned as being used for vermicompost production in the text? A. Lumbricus rubellus. B. Perionyx excavatus. C. Eudralis eugeniae. D. Icenia fetida. The correct answer is A. Lumbricus rubellus. How is valency explained depending on whether an atom gains or loses electrons? A. In one way. B. In three ways. C. In two ways. D. In four ways. The correct answer is C. In two ways. If blood is returning to the right atrium, what is its typical oxygenation state in systemic circulation? A. Deoxygenated. B. Partially oxygenated. C. Highly oxygenated. D. Oxygenated and deoxygenated mixed. The correct answer is A. Deoxygenated. How much time is allotted for the economic biology experiment? A. 50 minutes. B. 20 minutes. C. 40 minutes. D. 30 minutes. The correct answer is C. 40 minutes. What economic system was prevalent during the Sangam age? A. Credit system. B. Taxation system. C. Barter system. D. Monetary system. The correct answer is C. Barter system. Which part of the root is characterized by being a multilayered large zone with intercellular spaces? A. Rhizodermis. B. Endodermis. C. Pith. D. Cortex. The correct answer is D. Cortex. What is the negative environmental impact of burning plastics in a large furnace or in the open? A. It converts plastic into compost. B. It increases the quality of the plastic. C. It is bad for the environment. D. It reduces the amount of microplastics. The correct answer is C. It is bad for the environment. How do surgical methods of contraception work? A. They prevent implantation. B. They prevent ovulation. C. They prevent fertilization. D. They prevent gamete formation. The correct answer is D. They prevent gamete formation. Through which types of media can sound waves travel? A. Solids, liquids, and gases. B. Only liquids and gases. C. Only vacuum. D. Only solids. The correct answer is A. Solids, liquids, and gases. What is the full form of PDS in the context of food distribution? A. Public distribution system. B. Production and delivery system. C. Private distribution system. D. Public development system. The correct answer is A. Public distribution system. Who was the first Eastern Chalukya ruler? A. Ravikirti. B. Vikramaditya I. C. Pulkesin II. D. Vishnuvardhana. The correct answer is D. Vishnuvardhana. What happens when the key in a circuit is turned on? A. The battery stops supplying power. B. The circuit becomes open. C. Resistors stop consuming energy. D. Electrons begin to travel. The correct answer is D. Electrons begin to travel. What specific activity is mentioned as contributing to the need for clearing forests for agriculture? A. Mineral exploitation. B. Chopping down trees. C. Industrial expansion. D. Establishing housing. The correct answer is B. Chopping down trees. Which country is the largest producer of rice in the world? A. United States. B. India. C. Brazil. D. China. The correct answer is D. China. Which civilization's dead body preservation process involved a sarcophagus? A. Ancient Egypt. B. Mesopotamian. C. Sumerian. D. Assyrian. The correct answer is B. Mesopotamian. Which specific silk product from Tamil Nadu is recognized for its unique quality? A. Kanchipuram silk. B. Anni silk. C. Salem Venpattu. D. Bhavani Jamakkalam. The correct answer is A. Kanchipuram silk. Cotton and hemp are examples of which type of crop? A. Fiber crops. B. Cereal crops. C. Oil crops. D. Fodder crops. The correct answer is A. Fiber crops. In what year was the first cotton textile mill established? A. 1901. Born in 1998. Circa 1854. D. 1818. The correct answer is D. 1818. The Earth is described as being in size. A. Medium. B. Small. C. Tiny. D. Huge. The correct answer is D. Huge. What allows a fish to move smoothly through water? A. Its ability to change color. B. Its dark coloration. C. Its streamlined body. D. Its sharp teeth. The correct answer is C. Its streamlined body. Which vitamin deficiency causes inflammation of lips and fissures in the corners of the mouth? A. Vitamin B3. B. Vitamin B6. C. Vitamin B2. D. Vitamin B12. The correct answer is C. Vitamin B2. What are the possible categories of safety for plastic based on the resin code? A. Soft, medium, hard. B. Transparent, opaque, translucent. C. Safer, unsafe, or questionable. D. New, used, old. The correct answer is C. Safer, unsafe, or questionable. What process describes the rise of water in tubes due to adhesion and cohesion of water molecules? A. Capillary action. B. Root pressure. C. Osmosis. D. Transpiration. The correct answer is A. Capillary action. What does a gear have around its rim? A. Rubber. B. Lights. C. Spokes. D. Teeth. The correct answer is D. Teeth. What kind of organic matter do plants produce using absorbed nitrate ions? A. Cellulose and lignin. B. Lipids and carbohydrates. C. Proteins and nucleic acids. D. Starches and sugars. The correct answer is C. Proteins and nucleic acids. How many languages are recognized as official languages by the Constitution of India? A. 22. Born in 1599. C. 122. D. 4. The correct answer is A. 22. What is the structural and functional unit of the nervous system? A. Neuron. B. Cyton. C. Neuroglia. D. Nerve fiber. The correct answer is A. Neuron. Which unit is responsible for displaying or presenting information from the computer? A. Output unit. B. Input unit. C. Memory unit. D. CPU. The correct answer is A. Output unit. How did you score?